to my first ever episode of Being Productive with Kristen Kidd. Being productive is not easy, so I am showing you steps on how to be productive and overall just me being productive, in hopes that it will inspire you to be productive. Into today's episode of Being Productive with Kristen Kidd, I'm going to be doing my laundry. My laundry is very overdue. I have a very, very big pile of laundry that I need to do. So, keep watching to figure out how to do your laundry, how to be productive about doing your laundry, and let's do this. Okay, so we're currently in the closet filming this scene, but here's my laundry. Look, I even have some Lucky Charms on one of my sweaters. Don't ask questions. So, first things first, we need to separate these clothes from light to darks, because you don't want to mix your lights and darks together, because some of your dark colors might bleed into your light colors and some of your light colors may bleed into your dark colors, which is just not acceptable because you don't want pink jeans. Nobody does. So let's go ahead and start separating. Wow guys, if you made it to this point, I congratulate you. This is probably one of the most confusing parts because you don't know what goes in the light section and what goes in the dark section sometimes. Just a reminder, in the dark section you should put dark clothes, the shades like here. In the light section you should put light colors like the shades here. Now also in the light section you should never put your tie-dye shirts, because tie-dye shirts bleed through everything, especially if they're new. This one that I'm wearing currently bled through a lot of my white clothes because I put it in the light section. So you want to make sure no tie-dye is here. If you do have a very worn down tie-dye shirt like this one that I only wear to go to bed, then this is okay to put in the light section, especially if it has not bled in the light section before. Now for towels, those are their whole different section, okay? Those should not be mixed with your clothes. They should be mixed in a different section. You can also put underwear and socks in the towel section, but I'm warning you, they may get lost. So yeah, like see here, this is a tie-dye shirt. You put it in the dark section even if it is a light color, because dark colors don't always bleed. So just a heads up for you guys. Now, laundry time. Let's go do this. This is my laundry room. You guys are pretty low right now. Okay, so this is the washer. If you guys have an old-fashioned washer like this, then great, I can tell you how to use this. If you don't, ask your mom, okay, or your dad. Your dad usually has some pretty good pointers. Okay, so here, we first want to prepare the washer. Don't put any clothes in it yet. I've learned this over time that you're not supposed to put clothes in it before you put the detergent in. So what you want to do, you want to press in, you want to set it to the correct time that you want. You press, you make sure you got it to the right temperature setting. I like to do cold, that way like nothing bleeds through, just in case. And then you want to pick your setting. In this case we're going to do super because I have a lot of clothes to wash. Then you're going to press out and the water starts. When you lift up the lid, the water will usually stop. You want to make sure there's nothing in the washer. And let's begin. Okay, we're going to put some detergent in, just about 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to put in these Dainty Fresh Protect Febreze thingies. This makes your clothes smell good. Just sprinkle that everywhere. Next, I'm going to put in some softener, conditioner, and more conditioner. Now let's go get the clothes, load them in, and then we'll all be set to go. Now that my clothes are done, we are going to move all of these into the dryer. Now as you see, there's already clothes in the dryer. Well, you can't see that, but what you do is you grab a laundry basket and you just go and then you move them. Done. Next, you want to take this because this usually has like stuff on it, and you just want to clean it. And then put it back in, and let's transport the clothes. It's a nice arm workout. Put some dryer sheets in. You close it. You put it on the setting that you want. And you press start. That easy. Now while that is doing its thing, I'm going to start on my second load of laundry in the washer. My laundry is done. Heads up, darker colors usually take longer to dry. So, yeah. So, I don't know about you guys, but I don't fold my laundry, okay? I fold some of my laundry, but not all of it. So, this is my bucket for socks and underwear. And then everything else gets hung up except for my pajamas. Like, for example, these are my pajama bottoms. So I'm going to fold these, and I'm gonna put them on my shelf. Voila. Now, I'm going to hang up everything else. And I find this to be good. Really quickly, I want to point out a quick tip for you guys. When doing your laundry, fold it, if you fold, or hang it up while your laundry is warm, okay? Or else it will get wrinkles. We do not like wrinkles. So, there's a really useful tip. Round 1 done. Round 2, here we go. 2 of doing my laundry. And it's hard, okay? Laundry overall just is miserable. But I thought I would show you guys how I do my socks. So, and in this bin, I have a thing full of socks and underwear and all that good stuff. Here, let's bring you down. Okay, so this is one of my pairs, and this is another pair. As you can see, they are matching. And what you do is you take the two and you put them together like so. So the two sides are together, and then you take this and you bring it, and while you're bringing it, you like fold this in, and it makes that. Let's try again. So you're putting them together. I'm trying to show you guys the best I can. Here, let me do it this way. So you're bringing them together, and you're going to go in. Okay, so I'm using this hand to push in the sock, and you can leave it like that, or you can keep going in, and it creates a ball. Okay, one more time just to make sure you get it right. So again, you're going to take the two ends and you're going to put them together. Using this hand, you're going to push in to the other sock. Okay, so in, you see, in, and you're going to keep pushing, and there, you got your sock ball. So hopefully that kind of helped you guys out. This is definitely helpful for when you're like running out of the house and you don't want to find a match. You can just pick one of these balls and it's already matched up and you can just put it on. I've known this trick forever, and I'd be sad if nobody else had knew this trick. Of course you don't have to use it, but it's always nice to learn new things. And yeah, so hopefully that helped you guys out. I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. That's it. Anyway, that's it for this episode of Being Productive with Kristen Kidd. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe for more episodes, and I don't know when I'm going to be publishing these episodes, but hopefully it becomes a monthly, maybe weekly, maybe 2 times a month type thing. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want more of these episodes, because if you don't, I'll just stop. And yeah, bye.